To start with, practice set 8.1, question number second. You have to draw the triangle DE, you have to draw the quadrilateral DEFG. When D is equal to 4.5 centimeter, EF is equal to 6.5 centimeter, DG is equal to 5.5 centimeter, DF is equal to 7.2 centimeter, and EG is equal to 7.8 centimeter. If you want to construct the quadrilateral, for that you have to draw first of all the rough diagram. So you have to construct the quadrilateral and you have to give the name D, E, F, G. So here whatever is the measure given, D side 4.5 centimeter, ED side 5.5 centimeter, EF side 6.5 centimeter, DF side 7.2 centimeter, and G side 7.8 centimeter. Means this is of the type when the three sides and the diagonals are given. That time how you have to construct the quadrilateral, that type you have to draw the, you have to do the construction. If you will observe, here are the two triangles. This triangle GDE and triangle FED. These two triangles are on the same base, DE base. First of all, you have to draw the DE base. First of all, you have to draw the DE base of 4.5 centimeter, and you have to construct this triangle first. So this triangle, I will say that GDE, this GDE triangle first of all you have to construct, and you have to utilize the same base and you have to construct the triangle DFE. Means same base you have to utilize and you have to draw the first of all this triangle, after that this triangle according to the given measures, and after that you have to join this line GF. So first of all you have to draw the base 4.5 centimeter of both the triangles. After that you have to take the, from the D to G, the distance is 5.5 centimeter. You have to take the distance of 5.5 centimeter in the compass, and you have to keep the pointer on D, and you have to make the arc like this. You have to keep the pointer on D and make the arc. Take the arc like this. After that, E to G distance is 7.8 centimeter. So I will take the distance of 7.8 centimeter. So E to G distance is 7.8. So I will do the arc like this. This arcs, both the arcs will intersect at point G. So this is the point of intersection G, and according to that you have to draw the lines and you have to construct the triangle GDE. So first of all you have to construct the triangle like this. Once you will construct the triangle GDE, in the same manner you have to construct the triangle FDE, means same base you have to utilize. This is the FDE triangle, 7.2 centimeter, 6.5 centimeter. You have to make the arc. So in the compass you have to take the 7.2 centimeter. So I will make the arc of 7.2 centimeter from D to F, 7.2 centimeter. So you have to keep the pointer on D and you have to make the arc like this. After that, the distance of this E to F is 6.5 centimeter. So I will take this distance as 6.5 centimeter in the compass. 6.5 centimeter. I will keep the pointer on E and I will make the arc like this. This arc will intersect at point F. This is the point F, and according to that you have to construct the triangle DEF. So I will join these lines like this. Then you have to join this line. So you have to write the measure. This one is 6.5 centimeter. This side is 7.2 centimeter. This side is 7.8 centimeter. This one is 5.5 centimeter. Means these are the diagonal. GE and FD are the diagonal. If the two diagonals and three sides are given, that time you have to construct the quadrilateral. After that, by the scale, you have to join this point D and F. Once you will join the point D and F, at that time desired quadrilateral will form. So this is our desired quadrilateral DEFG. In this way, you have to construct the quadrilateral. This quadrilateral is on the same base, DE base. First suppose you have to draw this triangle, after that this triangle, and you have to join the DF. I think you understand all these things. So construct this triangle properly in the notebook, properly by the scale and pencil. Thank you.